The biggest thing what every AI gonna need is the prompt. Prompt is a kind of a question you ask to ChatGPT. एक तरीके से तरीका है ChatGPT से बात करने का. और prompt लिखना एक art है. Like programming, as a developer, you should know how we are supposed to prompt, because the better the prompts are, more accurate are the result, and more efficiently you can use ChatGPT. Now, every AI bot out there, let it be Luma, let it be DeepSeek, let it be even Gemini, every AI engine works with the 5-stage prompt, or a 5-stage based structure of prompting. Now, what I mean by this? No, there is a framework called RACCI. Let's understand the full form. Role, then action, then context, then constraint, then interface or output. Now let us try to understand. Although if you want, screen पे बाकी का data आ रहा है, but let's make it more simple. When I talk about R, the role, you need to tell ChatGPT what role you want it to play. Author, tutor, English tutor, Python tutor, Java tutor, by कौन? So first thing is the role. Second, as we talk about action, what do you want it to do? Write a code, complete something, check something, test something very clearly. Third is to talk about context. You need to give more information about the background for which you have asked to take action. The better the context is, the better chatbot or a chat GPT would understand what would be the best answer for it. So context, never leave. Constraint as the fourth thing. Constraint talks about what kind of output you are expecting. You want it in what format, or want it in what way. You want it as a CSV, you want it as a plain explanation, you want it in para, you want it in bullet. So constraint of output. This can also be language for the output. What language you want? Hindi, English, simple English, impressive English, professional English, casual English. You can actually play all this. And final is the interface. That is nothing but the समथिंग विच वी कॉल एज द आउटपुट फॉर्मेट. यानी कि अब इंटरफेस में आपको बोलना पड़ेगा कि भाई क्या करना है आपको, किस तरह से, हाउ टू गिव दिस. सो फॉर मी बैड प्रॉम्प्ट वुड बी, आई वांट टू राइट अ कोड फॉर even or. Although it understand, but there are a lot of issues with it. What language you want? Code, execution, format, what? A better prompt would be, act as a Python tutor, write a complete script for even and odd number. If you do not want to use function, to mention, do not use any special function, or do not use function. Give answer in a simplest possible form and give me in runnable form. So अब यहाँ पे आपने सारे roles, context, constraint and interface यानी कि output सब कुछ define किए. Hi, hope you're enjoying the video. If you want any material related to this video, the link is in the description. You can go and fill the form. At end of the form, you'll get the download link. Now, back to the video. Bye. This is very important for the developer, because ultimately developer needs to know this answer. So be very, very careful. For example, maybe I want to create a module where I have to create a screen to log into the system. So for example, code for login screen in TK Enter, where, now go ahead, where you will be inserting or accepting username and password, where username must be at least 8 character beyond, password must be between 8 to 15 characters, should be combination of alphabet lowercase, alphabet uppercase, digits, special symbols. Create a screen with login, register or forgot password. Keep screen color gray or whichever color you want. Give me a complete screen using TK Enter as a source code. You relate? I give the entire detail. The more detail you give it to ChatGPT, the better ChatGPT will work for you. See, I'm not saying ChatGPT will steal your job, but ChatGPT can make your job easier. Lot of things which you are not aware, ChatGPT will do. Now, when you generate this and write this script, you'll actually understand ChatGPT might actually use regex, regular expression, for validation. It will just give you message prompts, whether right login, wrong login. मैंने तो भी वो डिटेल में नहीं कहा. I can even say that on a right login, forward user to another URL. वो URL करके छोड़ देगा. Now it is your job to put URL over there. So prompting is the entire. जब भी आप बात करते हो प्रॉम्प्टिंग का, जब भी आप बात करते हो चैट जीपीटी को कोडिंग के लिए यूज करने का, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, टेल चैट जीपीटी व्हाट इट इज सपोज टू बी यूज्ड एज. सो एक्ट एज सो एंड सो. देन what you want. तुम्हें फंक्शन लिखना है, पूरा स्क्रिप्ट लिखना है, एल्गोरिथम लिखना है, और यू आर जस्ट ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सम आइडिया फॉर योर प्रोजेक्ट. टेल इट. Also give context and constraint that this is gonna be for my project of final year B, so I'm thinking what to do, or this is a part of the project developed in JS or Python or Django. Give a constraint that do not use function, use new Python 3.10 library and so on. And then in the end, what do you want, or what format you want? Give me complete script which is directly runnable, or give a script which can be extended or embedded in a part of. यानी कि ये जब आप करोगे, the format of RACCI, role, action, context, constraint and interface, that is output, believe me, your prompting would go on another level. You can try a couple of prompts जो मैंने नीचे दिए हुए हैं in description. You can actually go through. If you want to download this booklet, you can also find towards the end of description there is a registration form. Just register. At the end of registration, you will get a link from where you can download a document. It's as simple as possible. Try it.